Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off your online status in Viber so others can't see when you're active on the app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, at the bottom of your screen, you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on More. This will bring up your main menu where you can access all of Viber's core features and customization options. It's essentially your control center for managing how the app works for you. Once you're in that menu, look for the Settings option and tap on it. This is where all your account preferences and privacy controls live. Settings is the gateway to personalizing your Viber experience and controlling what information you share with other users on the platform. Now, within the Settings menu, you'll see various categories. Navigate to Privacy and tap on it. This section is crucial because it contains all the controls related to who can see your information and activity. Privacy settings give you complete control over your visibility and how you interact with contacts on Viber. Next, you'll want to tap on Online Read is Typing Statuses. This specific menu manages all your status visibility options. It controls whether other users can see when you're online, when you've read their messages, or when you're currently typing a response. These are the activity indicators that let others know you're actively using the app. After tapping that, you'll be taken to a screen where you can see a section named Online Status. This is the specific setting that broadcasts to your contacts whether you're currently active on Viber or not. When this is enabled, anyone in your contact list can see that green dot or online indicator next to your name. Finally, under that section, simply tap Off. By doing this, you're disabling the feature that shows others when you're online. From this point forward, your contacts won't be able to see whether you're actively using Viber or not, giving you more privacy and control over your availability. And that's it. You've successfully turned off your online status in Viber, and now you can use the app without broadcasting your activity to everyone. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.